Bitcoin prices suffered some weakness today, dropping to their lowest since mid-October, as market observers cited several factors as potentially triggering these declines. The world's most prominent digital currency depreciated to $55.460.96 today, according to CoinDesk data. At this point, the cryptocurrency was trading at its lowest since October 13, additional CoinDesk figures show. In addition, it was down close to 20% from the all-time high of nearly $69.000 it reached earlier this month. At note, investing in cryptocoins or tokens is highly speculative and the market is largely unregulated. Anyone considering it should be prepared to lose their entire investment. Multiple bearish factors when explaining the digital currency's latest downward movement. Analysts pointed to numerous variables as possibly fueling these losses. "I don't think there's any single catalyst that's pushing Bitcoin prices lower this week," said John Iadeluca, founder and CEO of Multi-Street. "In my opinion though, Bitcoin's price decline this week is a culmination of rising selling pressure, end-of-year profit-taking, as well as speculation," he stated. When asked to elaborate on what he meant by speculation, Iadeluca emphasized that many market observers are trying to figure out what the movement of Bitcoin from the old wallets means, and whether this indicates large sales of Bitcoin made from these wallets in the near future. Multiple analysts. Gok's situation could have had on the price of Bitcoin. Nobuaki Kobayashi, the trustee of Mt. Gox, announced recently that the proposed rehabilitation plan for the exchange, which was hacked back in 2014, was final and binding. As a result, creditors of the now-defunct exchange will receive more than 140,000 units of Bitcoin, which is worth more than $7 billion, according to CoinDesk. If these creditors sell their holdings, it would place downward pressure on the price of Bitcoin, potentially fueling significant declines. Andrew Rossow, an internet and technology attorney, claimed that these developments are already affecting the digital currency. "I am very confident that due to the Rehabilitation Trustee beginning to make payments to creditors, this is driving up the crypto fear and greed index, causing market S. Gok's rehabilitation plan have been generally known to the public and investors for some time. Consumer and investor behavior shows fear to still be the driving factor for Bitcoin's price," Rossow added. "Fear is what pushes it lower, but also fear pushes it higher. I believe the fear from Mt. Gox is what dropped the price," he stated. Iadeluca also claimed that the Mt. Gox situation has been looming over investors. "Yes, I think the Mt.